Hey everybody, this is Leslie with SimonandLeslie.com, and today I'm going to tell you about a cool little web service called Pingroupie. Now if you're trying to grow your Pinterest account and trying to grow the people that you see, or you're trying to grow your own followers, Pingroupie is a great resource to use, and here's why. What Pingroupie does is it goes out and it searches Pinterest for similar interests to yours. So let's say that you really liked kittens, right? So you go up here to the interests, you type in kittens, and you click filter. Bam. Now we're searching for groups or boards that specifically use kittens. So you'll see it over here on the left, whole column of boards and users that like kittens. The category that it's under, how many pins each board has, and then the cool thing is collaborators and followers. So this tells you how many people follow that particular board and how many people post to that board, and then exactly how many pins they have. So then you can click on this. It's going to open in a new window. Boop, boop, boop. Load, load, load. And now you have kittens. This one over here is actually a really funny one. So you have this whole board of kittens. Okay, so if this is something that you wanted to follow or you wanted to kind of keep an eye on, you can just click this follow button right here. Boop! And now you're following it. So that's it for me today. My name is Leslie with SimonandLeslie.com, and this has been your quick introduction to Pingroupie. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.